Yes, my main topics are biohacking and preventive healthcare and overall well-being and health. So that's a pretty wide spectrum of different topics, but I'm concentrating more on the biohacking side. What can you do to make yourself more stress resilient? How can you sleep better? How can you improve your work conditions? How can you have better energy throughout the day? So taking like some meditation breaks, minimal naps, those are like tools that can raise your energy levels significantly. Yeah, the future of biohacking is really bright. It's growing like exponentially everywhere in the world. People are very interested in that. They are interested in how to combine technology with nature, with nutrition and different applications. So it's actually combining many different industries, many different areas of health and well-being. So that's like the key connective thing in biohacking. I see a very bright future in that.